15 years of research, 15 patents, a powerful cationic polymer to resurface the fiber, fused together for the first time with a new aminosilane to repair from within. In a revolutionary molecular complex, Aptil 100. The revolution begins in Salon. The damaged fiber is treated from the inside out with Aptil 100. The aminosilane reinforces the fiber from within and stays there. The cationic polymer resurfaces the cuticle. Result: instant regeneration. Now the in-salon treatment is actually reactivated, not eliminated. With the at-home Pro Fiber shampoo, the Aptil 100 that is durably gripped onto the fiber captures the carrying agents contained in the shampoo. And unlike before, the treatment reactivates again and again. On the fourth shampoo, the level of Aptil 100 is diminished, but it can be reboosted with an at-home recharge of Aptil 100. Recharged in Aptil 100, the cycle starts again. For 6 weeks, hair feels like new, as if never damaged.